Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, ready? Make a wish. Woo!
Ooh.
A birthday guy. A bad guy.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Iris.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Ooh, eat more chicken.
Alright. Harder.
Oh.
More.
Almost.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wait, turn it around.
There you go. Do it again.
Me?
Both of you. Do it, guys. Back up. I can't see you. Do your dance. It's not working. This is the finished result, guys. We've only done 2 though,
It
so.
takes a really long time and a lot of stress.
And just some burning, and that's about it.
Yep.
I did.
You. Smile.
Good play. Oh my gosh, we're so good.
Me? Oh crap, oh crap.
It's okay. It was safe.
Sorry, Evie. I'll be better on my second lap. Takes me a minute to
Up here.
on this side.
Quickie. Quick. Yes. If you want to use that, and then you click on A again when you're ready. I would.
Hello. Hello. Oh, we need to go get my camera. Yeah, you do.
But harder. Be hard. Put some muscle in it.
I'm scared to hurt you.
You're not gonna hurt me, I promise.
I'm scared.
I'd be rougher on myself.
I'm scared.
But everything looks lined up still?
Yeah, I think so. yes. You're scaring me. Yes.
You're scaring me
It
now.
does. Oh yeah, I haven't done the whole thing.
You okay. Keep going.
Okay. Is it fine?
Mhm.
Okay.
As long as you think everything.
Oh. Really, guys? It's Isabel Bridge. Oh. I said, oh.
That looks really pretty. And you know, I'm gonna put above our head heated rivalry.
She's like, maybe associates cars with like the shelter or something, you know?
Now then, welcome back to the ice door.
Do it. No. Do your thing where you look. Where you're like, yeah, that one. You're so cute. As she should.
Yes. I'm probably.
Get going. This is my dock. This is my sister, and this is a pond. This is my pond. I'm walking on it. What? Yeah. Hey, look at you. Oh. Whoa, get him! Whoa! Whoa! Pond, 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 pond. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. I did every single one.